Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto and finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to you live. Yes, it is Sunday, the 16th of July, 2023. And this is live, ladies and gentlemen. And welcome to everybody currently watching from everywhere around the world. It's been an incredible couple of days. I'm sure a lot of you have been celebrating pretty much like I have anyway. So that's the reason why I had a day off yesterday. Because again, XRP win, Ripple win, and a win for all of crypto, which is just incredible as well. Welcome everybody to the live chat as well. I will get to every one of you at the end of the live stream. So make sure you leave your comments in the live chat as well. I will see that. Now, welcome Shifter right there. Welcome Mitchell. What do we got here? Jacob, we've got Callie, Giovanni, welcome, Jackie, Sergio as well. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, again, it's been an incredible weekend. There is literally a lot to go through now. There are a lot of, obviously, institutional investors now seriously looking at XRP for cross-border payments, which was a given. I knew this for a long time. Have been speaking about XRP for so long, it's just insane. 2.5 years. It has been. I mean, look at this. 883 videos. Absolutely nuts. But anyway, there is a lot to get through today. Obviously, we're going to be going through JP Morgan, basically declaring Ripple's victory against the SEC a major win and a game changer, which is nice. And again, what are the odds for XRP back, obviously, to rip its ripples in my brain? Obviously, to reach those all-time highs again, I think it's very possible. We're going to go through that as well. The SEC as well could be waiting years to file an appeal, so we're going to go through that. And Brad Garlinghouse, and I did put a video up earlier today with an interview from Brad as well on my channel, which is incredible. Very, very nice interview right there. Now, we're going to be talking about Litecoin as well. There are 20 days until the Litecoin halving. Could be an opportunity, not financial advice. And we're also going to be talking about XLM, which not many people have been speaking about. XLM has been doing quite well, to be quite honest with you. Also a snapshot, again, from 2018 with XRP, which is insane. We're going to go through that as well. Coinbase and Binance US, which is nice as well, both restoring support for XRP, which is good. The SEC obviously now is finally accepting the application from BlackRock for their Bitcoin spot ETF, which is insane. And again, we have a spot Bitcoin ETF, which again was just lodged in Australia, which is really nice as well. So welcome to all of those Aussies currently watching as well. It's nice to see we're moving forward with this. But anyway, guys, let's get into the video and live stream. Thank you, everyone, for joining in as well. I know it's your weekend and you're probably all hungover from, obviously, XRP parties right now. Because, again, I had definitely had a drink, which is incredible. Anyway, let's get into the live stream, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love, excuse me, documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are going to get wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video and live stream a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Everybody in the live chat, I see you. Thumbs up down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Now, formalities are out of the way. I'm going to the community tab, as I do, obviously, all the time. Now, again, this is back in 2018. XRP was ranked the #2 cryptocurrency, and again, it's just insane to see this, but this was in January 2018. It was priced around about $3.30, something like that, USD. And again, this was right before Gary Gensler went after XRP and labeled it a security, which again, I wonder what Gary Gensler is doing this weekend. I'm really curious to know what he's doing. Do you think he's just licking his wounds? I don't know. I'm really curious about that. Let me know in the live chat what you think he's doing. I'm just curious what the whole community is thinking about that. But anyway, nice to see that at #2. This is legit. I'm going to show you on CoinMarketCap, and yeah, I believe it can happen as well. And just pointing out as well, once these Bitcoin ETFs, and I should say crypto ETFs, get approved, there could be $30 trillion entering in this space right now. And again, Bitcoin has 40%. of the total crypto market cap. XRP, I believe, will flip Ethereum anyway because, again, Bitcoin and XRP are literally the only two coins with regulatory clarity in this entire space. That is it. Bitcoin and XRP. It's incredible to think that, all right? Now, obviously, there's going to be issues with Ethereum and their staking and all kinds of things that would come up after that. But again, Bitcoin and XRP. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Gosh, I've been telling people for a very long time about this. Anyway, 20 days away from the Litecoin halving as well. Is anybody in the live chat, and I should say watching this video now, actually holding Litecoin? It's going to be very interesting. Moving on, we have breaking news. Obviously, this morning right here in Australia, we had Ripple partners with ACI Worldwide, Volante Technologies, and Finastra, and are now all integrated partners of the Federal Reserve's new FedNow service, which, by the way, goes live at the end of July. Okay, I've read a lot about that. I've been on the Federal Reserve's website. It's all over it. End of July, that is going to be going live. Isn't it just a coincidence that XRP's case was won against the SEC? FedNow is going live at the end of July as well. It's just funny, huh? Very, very interesting. Let me know in the live chat what you think about that, guys. And yes, you've got JP Morgan declaring XRP court win a crypto industry game changer. And it's really nice to see one of these big institutions talking about XRP finally in a positive manner. Now that there's, I should say, regulatory clarity, which is what Brad and Chris and David Schwartz and basically Stuart Algorand were fighting for the whole time. And Johnny Deaton and Jeremy Hogan, which is incredible. Now, of course, this is the recap for the week this week. Okay, so again, we've had the US judge rules Ripple and XRP is not a security. We had US inflation falls to 3% lower than expectations, which is good. Europe to launch its first spot Bitcoin ETF this month, so keep an eye on that as well. More money coming into this space. Obviously, a former SEC chairman says the spot Bitcoin ETF should be approved. Coinbase relisting XRP this week. $9 trillion asset manager BlackRock says crypto will be obviously transcending international currencies due to the global demand. And I did watch, obviously, Larry Fink on Coinbase, CNBC, the other night. And obviously had a few drinks, but it was quite interesting listening to him speak on CNBC. And again, that's on my Twitter page. We've got the SEC acknowledges Fidelity, Van Eck, Wisdom Tree, and Invesco spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Bank of America ordered to pay $250 million for charging illegal fees and opening credit card accounts without customer consent. Anyway, that's just bad. And of course, we've got us Aussies here in Melbourne, and I should say all around Australia, more to the point. But Australian Securities Exchange receives its first spot Bitcoin ETF application. I think there's going to be a lot of spot Bitcoin applications coming through, both here in Australia and around the world. It's only a matter of time. And again, I honestly believe, and I'm telling everyone right now that, I honestly believe that this is like going back in time. And there's an opportunity here for people to actually see what's going to come in this space. And we've been given an opportunity of a lifetime, so to speak, which is incredible as well. So very good stuff right there. And yes, XRP will flip Ethereum. And let's have a look here, guys. The altcoins up in my portfolio this morning. We had Constellation DAG, Ubix Network, Luna Classic, Luna, and Doge. Incredible as well. I have not seen anything about Doge for a long time, and Elon Musk has been very quiet with Dogecoin. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles, and I should say before we do that, Coinspot now, yes, this is an official partner of the channel, guys. Make sure you use the referral links below. Obviously, if you do, you will get $10 in Bitcoin now. Again, Aussie dollars here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go quickly through the banking coins because that's just a given. Bitcoin sitting at $44,942 today, down 0.2%. Ethereum's at $2,900. XRP was pumping a little bit before this live stream at $1.10. And again, I did dollar cost average into XRP this weekend. Let me know in the live chat if anyone actually did buy some more XRP. Again, this is still nowhere near its all-time high for me anyway. And it's going to go parabolic given the fact that only Bitcoin and XRP are the only cryptos with regulatory clarity. Incredible. Solana as well, $41. Cardano is at 48 cents. Litecoin is 142. I might dollar cost average into Litecoin today. Now, Chainlink as well as the banking coin, $10. XLM right now, 19 cents. This was pumping, obviously based on the news from Judge Torres as well, guys. I mean, this was doing like 50, 60% in a day as well. So Stellar Lumens is definitely flying under the radar at the moment at 19 cents. So it's very, very nice to see that. Moving down, we've got Hedera at 7 cents as well. VeChain, yeah, it's not finance, or I should say the banking coins, but again, logistics is huge at 3 cents. Quant is at 152. Now, I'm surprised this one didn't even move at all, but yes, Quant I'm very bullish on. given the fact that, again, it has less of a supply than Bitcoin. So, again, I believe this will be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset in the next 5 to 10 years. We'll see where that one goes. Not financial advice, guys. But ALGO as well, 17 cents. Moving down, some other bullish coins are obviously Casper and XDC right here. Some gems, both undervalued as well, that will move in the next bull market. And again, all of these coins you see here now, we're 80 to 90% more, obviously, in price than what you're seeing them here at the moment, which is insane. Very, very nice. Anyway, yes, Wall Street Bull University, guys. This is where I put up all my buys, my sells, my day trading, my crypto trading bots, which are doing incredibly well at the moment. So we'll have a look at those. I've got a few set up. Mostly my capital is tied up in day trading at the moment, which has been going quite nicely as well. Had a few trades where I made some significant gains on XRP. Let me know in the comments, or I should say the live chat, if anyone has actually traded XRP just before the announcement came out the other day. I want to know. Live chat, go put it in there. I want to see if anyone actually opened up some positions there with some leverage. Curious. And of course, another thing is my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. Now, I did buy a particular stock called Bito, or Bito, however you want to pronounce it again. That basically moves with the price of Bitcoin, which is around about 16 to 17 odd US dollars. And again, it pays monthly dividends and basically on the futures contracts of Bitcoin. So the future price of the asset. Again, very, very bullish stuff. That's all in the Patreon, guys. And again, I've got full 10-minute long videos on how to set up the crypto trading bot. So make sure you go check that out. And just to quickly cap on that as well, yes, I use OKX. They are an official partner of the channel. And again, a sponsor, I should say. These are obviously my futures grids. Got one set up with Monero, 6.5%, which is good as well. My Pepe one here with 30x leverage is basically got a return of 90%. 90%. And I started these probably 2 weeks ago. Let me know where you can get a return of 90% on your money in 2 weeks. Anyway, link is below for the Patreon, guys. Lido as well, 17.8%. Arbitrum is at 57%, which is insane. And yes, I have one open at the moment on Ethereum, which is really good as well. So again, I will open up some more positions. Again, my day trading is making those gains, which is allowing me to have some more capital to obviously start these bots. And I think this is a great time to start the bots as well, because when these things have long positions on low leverage, they're going to do quite well. Not financial advice. Anyway, Patreon, guys, join up. If you're watching this live stream, the 350 people currently watching, and thank you to those 628. Make sure you go subscribe to the Patreon. All right, guys, make sure you do that. Now, obviously, crypto bubbles on the day. Let's have a look. We've got 1 inch, obviously, flying at 20% almost, guys, 19.7, 41 cents. Not really interested in that, guys. Maker as well, 10.3% on the day, still up 50% on the month, $975. Does anyone actually own Maker? I'm curious. I really am. That is an expensive asset, guys. Obviously, we have Comp as well. Compound, 7.6% on the day, 51.6% on the week, and 196% on the month. That is insane. Those gains are ridiculous. And again, I did buy, XRP over the weekend because, you know, why not? I had some fun with it. I think it's great. I still think it's very undervalued. And again, we're yet to see the full potential of this, and it's going to get pretty wild in this space. And yes, Solana as well, very bullish on this, guys. Again, Raul Powell, very bullish on Solana. This is his biggest position in his portfolio, so he says. $27 US. Again, I was buying this around the 100, 120 level again. So very nice to see that there's these levels right here. Moving down as well, of course, we have Quant down 1.9% today to $101. It should be a stable coin at these levels. Let me know in the comments what you think about Quant. We're going to get to that at the end. And of course, where is XRP here? Let me try and find it, guys. Let's see if you can find it. Try and find XRP on this. Let's just have a look, guys, because again, it's probably so small I can't even freaking see it. Can anyone actually see this? Oh, here we go. Found it. Too much day trading, guys. Not good for your eyes. Anyway, guys, we have 1.5% on the day, 56% on the week, and 53% on the month. Still up 124% on the year. Obviously, you can see it's currently trading at 73 cents USD, which is really, really nice again. So I did dollar cost average. Now, let's get into the news. And we have JP Morgan right here declaring Ripple's court win a win for crypto industry and a game changer, obviously. But an exclusive research note published on Friday. JP Morgan, the esteemed banking giant, emphasized the U.S. Southern Court, I can never get this right, but the U.S. Southern District Court's recent ruling in favor of Ripple. And the payments network stands as a groundbreaking victory for the crypto industry. And the court's decision not only provides much needed clarity regarding the definition of a security, but also carries significant implications for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, JP Morgan analysts obviously asserted. And again, understanding JP Morgan's analysis right here, the research paper came out that legislative uncertainty has deterred major capital pools from entering the industry and leading to the slowdown in the crypto ecosystem right now. I've been saying this for a long time. And adoption and valuation right here and regulatory initiatives in the past year have only exacerbated these issues. And JP Morgan believes that the landmark judgment provides legal certainty and protection by defining what constitutes a security. And many industry insiders have long supported this outcome. And again, issued on Thursday, the ruling concludes that Ripple's XRP token should not be classified as a security when sold through exchanges or programmatic sales. Okay? Which is bullish as anything. Now, this news triggered a rally in the crypto prices, underscoring the immense importance of the verdict to the industry. And Bitcoin experienced a 3.6% surge on Thursday, followed by a slight retreat, approximately 1.4%. And again, it's going to be very interesting to see what happens from here in the next few weeks as well, given the fact that industry, I should say, major institutions are going to be wanting a piece of this, because I tell you, they're going where the money's going to go, that's for sure. And obviously, we've got, what are the odds of XRP price hitting a new all-time high after the Ripple win against the SEC? And again, the XRP price increased by 100% on July 13th. That is insane. And after partial victory in the ongoing lawsuit with obviously the SEC, and the price action in both long and short-term timeframes suggests that the trend is bullish, predicting further upside. Now, despite this bullish XRP price prediction right here, and I do apologize about this stupid pop-up right now, obviously you can see right here, failure to break out from the 87 cents resistant area will likely lead to more downside. I think we're going to see upwards from here. That is just my opinion. Very, very bullish stuff. Now, if we move on here, guys, I'm going to have a sip of water. Welcome, everyone, to the live chat, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I see all of your comments. Make sure you leave them to the end, and we'll get to everyone, guys. And the SEC could be waiting years to file an appeal in the Ripple case. Brad Garlinghouse. Now, again, I did watch the interview with Brad Garlinghouse on Bloomberg, posted up on my channel. Also, you had the full video from Jeremy Hogan. I want to know if anyone's actually gone to watch that, because that's incredible. And I quite like the video of Jeremy in the boat as well, which is quite hilarious. But anyway, Jeremy Hogan putting out some interesting stuff. And again, these lawyers that have helped out with the XRP army over the last 2 years. I mean, you've got Jeremy Hogan, James K. Filan, Johnny Deaton. Of course, we've got Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, David Schwartz, Matt Hamilton, Bill Morgan. All of these guys, and I should say women, have also helped immensely get the XRP Army's voice heard in this court case. And Johnny Deaton has had a major part in that. That's enormous. Anyway, guys, we've got Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes the US SEC will face a prolonged process before having the chance to appeal the ruling in its case against Ripple Labs. And the judge on July 13th, obviously Judge Annalisa Torres, ruled partially in favor of Ripple in a case brought by the SEC in 2020. And ruling that the XRP token is not a security when sold on the retail digital asset exchanges. And again, her ruling clearly states that. And also I want to point out as well, Jeremy Hogan in his video, which is incredible, go watch that, clearly obviously states that Judge Torres thought this through, given the fact that she didn't want the, I guess, the SEC to lodge an appeal, even though they probably will because they're a bunch of idiots. But yeah, I think Judge Torres thoroughly thought this through with her answers, so that the Court of Appeal essentially couldn't really, rip it apart, so to speak. So it's really good. The ruling is very, very positive for the XRP Army as well. So it's pretty much signed, sealed, and delivered. Yes. Been waiting for this for 2.5 years, guys. Now, moving on, we have Litecoin right here undergoing a halving in only 20 days. And obviously the renowned crypto, Litecoin, the digital silver and most successful Bitcoin fork, is gearing up for its eagerly anticipated third halving event, deemed as one of the most crucial events of 2023. Proof of work. Crypto enthusiasts right now, traders and investors of the Litecoin halving, signals a pivot movement from the coin's price, technology, and roadmap. And scheduled to occur on August 2nd, 2023, Litecoin's halving will witness the emission of the cryptocurrency reduced by 50% presently. And Litecoin miners are rewarded 12.5 Litecoins per block. That is incredible. A reward that will be slashed to 6.25 LTC post-halving. Following the halving, owners of Litecoin mining rigs will earn $607.8 every 2.5 minutes at current prices. Is that insane? 2.5 minutes, they're going to be earning $600 every 2.5 minutes. Anyway, it's absolutely insane. Thank you for that tip there, Major Pain. I love that. Thank you very much. I will get to you at the end. So make sure you stick around, guys. We're going to get through this. And yes, XLM is obviously the talk of the town. And obviously, let's have a look here. But the dramatic turn of events, stellar lumens, XLM has been riding a bullish wave, breaking past key resistance levels and recording a staggering 46.3% gain within the 24-hour period, which is nice. And the surge was obviously largely attributed to the ripple effect of the favorable ruling for Ripple XRP in the case against the SEC again. Now, it's very nice to see that, but those short traders had been liquidated, which is not good as well. And I feel sorry because I have been liquidated out of some short positions as well. Moving on, I just want to quickly show you this as well, but we have the historical snapshot from 2018, the 7th of January 2018, I should say. Here you can see XRP was ranked the number 2 cryptocurrency. So those of you who are new in this space and don't believe that will happen, it happened already. As you can see right here, it had a larger market cap than Ethereum at $130 billion, which is nuts when you think about it. And yes, the price you can see right here was $3.37, which is really nice. And Ethereum was around about 1,153. So again, this is, in my opinion, is still incredibly cheap as well. And Bitcoin's market cap was $276 billion, and it was 16,000. I mean, look at it now. It's insane when you think about it. But anyway, that's actual facts. Go check that out. Now, obviously, we've got Binance US and Coinbase restoring trading for XRP. Has anyone actually used Coinbase? I mean, to be quite honest, I haven't used Coinbase in a long time, and I should say Binance. Too much regulatory scrutiny here in Australia, to be honest. It gets quite annoying, especially with Binance. I mean, but anyway, it's a cool exchange, but OKX is my official partner. Anyway, moving on, guys. Obviously, again, XRP after the judge issues a critical ruling in the SEC's lawsuit right here. And Coinbase, Binance.us, and other top crypto exchanges, including Kraken. I believe there was Gemini as well. And obviously there are a few in the United States, are restoring trading support for XRP following Thursday's groundbreaking ruling against the SEC. And the top crypto exchange Coinbase relisted XRP on Thursday, followed by Binance.us a day later. Bit slow there, Binance. Pick up your game. Anyway, we've got the SEC as well, formally accepting a BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF application for review. This review could take months because Gary Gensler is probably bitter and very angry about what happened with the Ripple case. He would be. Anyway, the procedural move suggests that the federal agency will give the closely watched application a serious look. And by serious look, I mean he's being told by BlackRock what to do. What do you think about that? Of course he is. The biggest asset manager on the planet? Come on, man. Of course you're going to be listening to them. Anyway, we've got an update here in Australia for us Aussies, by the way. But the first spot Bitcoin ETF application filed under review now from ASIC, the Australian securities regulator. An Australian Bitcoin-focused asset management firm, Monochrome, is taking another run at the licensed spot ETF amid a wave of US filings. And an application for Australia's first fully licensed spot Bitcoin ETF under review by regulatory guidelines has been filed with ASIC, the Australian Securities and Exchange Commission right here in Australia. Anyway, we don't call it a commission, but anyway, the ASX. And Bitcoin-focused asset manager firm Monochrome is in partnership with Vasco. Trustees announced on Friday the lodgement and the updated application from the Monochrome Bitcoin ETF intended to provide regulated exposure for retail investors. ETFs are going to open up this space to a lot of people, guys. A lot of people. Because a lot of people don't understand how to use crypto wallets. Now, I'm sure you've all been there. Let me know in the comments if you've all been there, because people just ask you how to use a crypto wallet or transfer money out of crypto exchange. We've all been there. So all people would have to do is essentially buy a spot Bitcoin ETF. That's it. They don't have to worry about anything else. But anyway, moving on, we have cryptometer.io, ladies and gentlemen, and then we're going to get to Twitter quickly and we'll get to some interesting videos. But again, we've got money going into XRP, Ethereum, Lunk, we have Zcash, which is interesting, Cardano, Dogecoin as well, we have Comp, USDT, of course, that's a given, Bitcoin, and pretty straightforward from there. Now, let's go to Twitter, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go following on Twitter, guys. Thank you to those 5,113 people. You guys absolutely rock. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the Twitter page, guys. It's linked below. Anyway, moving down, I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is no BS. For those of you who have seen me and met me in person, I know a few of you have, yeah, the rings are big. Anyway, full on. Thank you, guys. Now, moving on, we've got XRP in 7 days. Could potentially have a 777% increase from Crypto. and some interesting analytics right here. But mark your calendars, folks. In just 7 days, we will witness, if the stars align, and witness a jaw-dropping 777% increase in XRP. But remember, let's take this one with a grain of salt while remaining open-minded to all possibilities. I think everybody has to remain open-minded, given the fact there was so much hate with XRP out there in this crypto world. It's incredible. A lot of people called it a Ponzi scheme and a scam. Didn't listen to any single one of them because I knew the true utility and facts with this crypto asset. Incredible stuff. But anyway, nice to have a 700% gain, wouldn't it? We've got SBI Holdings confirming 47 Japanese banks to use XRP for all payments, which is nice as well. Performance in 2023, we've got Bitcoin at up 83%. Ethereum's at 61, BNB 1.4. I don't even hold BNB, to be honest, but XRP is 110%. Soon, obviously, it's going to be the best performing asset of all time. We have, obviously, Cardano at 35%, Solana. We have Tron, Litecoin as well, Polkadot, Avalanche, Bitcoin Cash. I have had some day trades. 1.8 million tweets. Incredible. Love this picture from Elon Musk. It's just awesome, man. I absolutely love that. How cool would it be to travel around SpaceX late at night with your dad? That'd be awesome. Love it. Now, obviously, a Bitcoin ETF, again, could inject $30 trillion into this market. Everyone needs to be prepared for that. It can happen. Moving down, of course, we've got breaking unconfirmed reports of the government of Canada in discussions to possibly use XRP to settle their cross-border payments through Ripple. That is wild as well. Moving down, I would like to play you this video from Brad Garlinghouse, and there's a funny tweet from Stuart Alderodi as well. Did someone drop their security? Guess not. Everyone should have an orange. It's very healthy. Now, I want to play you this interview with Brad Garlinghouse. Everyone has to watch this, guys, so pay attention.
Is to protect investors. They went after Ripple, suggesting that, all kinds of things, everything we were doing was selling an unregistered security, and the judge really very clearly said, sales through exchanges, not a security. When it's used for compensation, not a security. When it's used for incentives around the overall XRP ecosystem, not a security. So, we have already moved a lot of our activity, and frankly, 95% of our customers are non-US. So a lot of our activity has been outside the US jurisdiction because that's where our customer demand is. But I think that's where the US is losing. And I think what the SEC has been trying to do is to put power and politics over what is really just sound policy and providing clear rules of the road such that entrepreneurs and investors can participate in this amazing new market around crypto and blockchain technologies.
So this is still a legal process playing out. I think people watching, an SEC appeal process, what that looks like. What does it mean for your company in your business in the interim?
Look, as a matter of law, the law of the land right now is that XRP is not a security. And until there is an opportunity for the SEC to file an appeal, which would take years, and frankly, we're very optimistic. If they were to file an appeal, we think that only further solidifies the decision this judge made. Because, look, as a matter of law, as a matter of the facts, and really as a matter of looking at history here, for the SEC, really it's overreach to suggest, as the chair has said many times, that basically everything in the crypto space is a security. Well, we now have a judge very clearly saying that is just not true, and very clearly saying XRP is not a security on exchanges and all these different use cases, which I think helps the whole industry for sure. So this is a win for Ripple. It's also a win for the entire crypto industry, and I think that's why you saw the crypto industry react so positively over the last 24 hours.
Very, very nice interview there. Thank you, Bloomberg. Big shout out to you guys as well. Now, obviously, coming out of this, there are FUD articles and news reporters all over the place. Johnny Deaton's firing up, and I would definitely be doing the same thing on Twitter as well, because, again, there's been some people out here, calling it not a win. Just utterly ridiculous, excuse me. Unbelievable. Anyway, guys, we've got consider a Bitcoin standard right here. How about Michael Saylor start investing in XRP? What do you think, Michael? Let me know, mate. We'll get that going. Anyway, guys, sorry. Let's move on to coin market cap. And today we've got 1.2 trillion, $24 billion in volume, so it is quite low. 48% Bitcoin right here, 19.1% Ethereum, which is really interesting as well, because again, if that $30 trillion, even a small portion of these massive institutions comes into this playing field, again, XRP flips Ethereum, again, it's going to have a 19% share of that $30 trillion if that were to happen. I think it will happen. Stay positive. Anyway, guys, 26,324 cryptocurrencies. Only 2 of those have regulatory clarity. Bitcoin and XRP. Anyway, let that one sink in for a moment. Yes, this is my portfolio right now. Top gainers are LCX, DAG, Long Solo, Hero, Luna, Kin, as well as Tel. And of course, where my money's going, and that's not financial advice, ladies and gentlemen, of course, is the banking coins right here. And yes, it's nice to see XRP up 2% today. The full list is in the Patreon every single day, as well as my entire portfolio. So make sure you go check that out. But that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to the live chat, because it's now 9 p.m. and it's been 30 minutes, and I want to get to everyone now. Obviously, I've got Major Pain right here. Thank you for your tip here, mate. I really appreciate it. Institutions going to have to buy from open market. We could see a pump hopefully soon. Love your content, brother. XRP, babe. Yes, thank you very much, Major. I think institutions will have no choice but to buy from the open market, which is just enormous for us here now in this space that are early, which is incredible as well. Anyway, guys, let's have a look. Let's get through the comments right here. We've got, let's go straight to the top, guys, because there is a lot. There is a lot of comments, guys. I'm going to try and get to a few of them. Did you see the little XRP pump just 10 minutes ago? Yes, it's still pumping now. I'm going to bring it up, actually. Let's bring it up. Let's go in the last hour. It's up 2%. Very, very nice right there. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. Shiba Inu, best coin. I do hold Shiba Inu. Let's have a look here. Yep, XRP high from Tarit. Is that how you say it? Taroriti? Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Crypto EDU, good morning, mate. Good morning, everyone. You've got hello, crypto jargon right here. Vault Sheep, XRP super bullish right now. Very, very nice. Let's have a look. Hell yeah, I bought some. Awesome, mate. Love that stuff, Dean. Let's move down here. I hope I'm wrong, but this is Shane right now. I hope I'm wrong, but have been thinking for a while XRP might struggle to hit double figures for at least 2 years. I think everyone just needs to be patient and take a chill pill with this, because I think we've just won the lawsuit. Everyone just chill, take a minute to breathe, go and enjoy yourselves, get an ice cream or something, and then we're good. There's still more time to this. I'm very happy with the outcome, more to the point. Dale right here, loaded up on XRP through the year, loving the price action. Cheers, Anthony, from your hard work. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. I heard you say the effing Patreon. I heard you said the effing Patreon. No, I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, let's go here. Wayne, hi there. I bought an extra 5,000 XRP 2 days ago. That's incredible. Love it. Let's have a look here. I'm kind of sad for Gary. We need a new supervillain for the next season. Yeah, is anyone actually sad for... Like, I don't know. I'm not even sad for him, but yeah, he'll be replaced. He's had his moment in history, but yeah, we need a new supervillain anyway. I don't think we need it in crypto, but anyway. Good point there, Peter. Moving down, let's have a look here. How you going, Whitney? Hello, big heart there. Let's go down here. We've got Agostino, DCA tonight into Quant, XLM, and XRP. Very nice coins. Absolutely love those. Christian right there. Are you seeing a left sign? Not sure. I've got my screen. So I've got two screens set up here, guys. Yeah, it's full on. Let's have a look. Hi from Western Australia. How you going? Dirk right here. Hey, bud, from the RSA. Brandon, XRP only non-security when offered through public exchanges, not for institutional investment. Yeah, which basically means they're going to have to go to the back door and start buying on exchanges. That's what I believe is going to happen anyway. Hello from Canada. JP Morgan, take and run with XRP going to be massive. Yes, I agree. That's huge. XRP Mark. I've been buying XRP other than the last 5 years and the part of 0.5% holders of XRP. That's incredible. Well done. Word is final that XRP is not a security. Yes, it is final. Very, very nice. All you fools need to actually read what the judge did that day. Go watch Jeremy Hogan's video. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's have a look here, guys. Major again. Yes, we've gone through that. Let's have a look. Our country needs some blockchain system to against the corrupt system. Maybe the CBDC who run on XRP system can handle it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of CBDCs, to be quite honest with you. Major Pain again with a tip. Here we go. That's my bull ring. Yeah, okay. So if I get 100,000 subscribers, I'll be definitely giving this one away. That's no BS. I've been talking about this for months. But anyway, thanks, Major. I appreciate that, mate. Let's have a look. XRP 1-to-1 with 1 ounce of gold would be nice. It would be nice. Let's have a look. Took me 10 minutes to go figure out how to transfer. Shane, transfer to wallet, was making a simple mistake. Yeah, it's pretty difficult if you don't, keep a very close eye on it, to be honest. NEI White, bro, you are doing a great job. Thank you very much, mate. I appreciate that. Jamie, do you think XRP will continue to rise? Yes, I do believe it will continue to rise, but I think just people are, it's the weekend. Everybody's busy celebrating the victory we had all last week. Let's have a look here. Ripple has to dump 5 billion XRP tomorrow in order for the big kids to enter the market at 65 cents USD. Doesn't matter, the utility of the coin's insane. Let's have a couple more questions, guys. You rock, thanks for your awesome updates. Thank you very much, I appreciate that. Major, be nice to see that Coinspot XRP glitch again, but for real this time. Yeah, I would love to see a $10,000 glitch for XRP. Imagine that. That would be just wild. And one more, guys. Just bought 15,000 XRP. That's nice. And VJJ, cool. Thank you. You're doing a great job, mate. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here because, again, I just want to go chill out. Still just relaxed from the Ripple victory. It's incredible as well. But make sure you join the Patreon down below. Again, very bullish community. It is growing every single day, which is awesome. I absolutely love it. Make sure you subscribe to that because, again, I put up a lot of stuff in there that's genuinely making me money. I'm sharing it with my community, which is incredible as well. And I think a lot of people made some money on the XRP from watching my videos and in the Patreon anyway. Well, yeah, can't talk about that on here. But anyway, guys, go check that out. And again, make sure you follow me on social media, guys. Join the pages down below. Please use the official links. There are so many fake accounts. I can't even keep up with them. So again, if you're not using the official links below, they're not me. Just remember that I will not message you on either Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. It's not me. I wouldn't do that. So again, if someone's doing that, it's a fake account pretending to be me talking. It is not the case at all, all right? Everything is linked below. Anyway, guys, thanks very much. Have a good weekend, a good Sunday night, evening, and morning, wherever you are in the world. And I'll speak to everyone, obviously, tomorrow, right, at some stage. Peace out, guys. Bye.